Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting in our Realme phone friends. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you on your do not disturb mode in your Realme phone. Friends, you want to on your do not disturb, so friends you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on do not disturb in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel and guys you are watching a video first time, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video, and first of all open your phone setting to on your do not disturb mode. After on phone setting, I scroll it and as you can see sound and vibration, guys tap here, guys click on do not disturb. So once you want to on, so you can on from here, you can see this notification do not disturb mode will on, and guys you can see this moon icon on your screen. So guys, when you do any urgent work and guys you think nobody should disturb you, so you should on guys your do not disturb mode, then guys you can not listen guys your sound and vibration setting like ringtone setting, like that settings, notification sounds. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.